So Eric, where does Violin play in the Telco NFV space?
So that's a great question. One of the things we deliver is the ability to provide, in a generic server infrastructure, the ability to handle virtualization. When you add a virtualization layer, in the case of the telco space, you're going to add a network virtualization layer. The goal is to use generic off-the-shelf commodity server infrastructure to accomplish what had been custom telco technology provided by the large telco hardware providers. By moving to that infrastructure, you're introducing a virtualization layer, and virtualization layers make servers even slower. Servers are subject to the latency. We went back to this I/O gap. There's also a large latency gap. Again, in generic IT, you would over-provision the servers. For the network providers, you don't want to over-provision the servers. Part of the idea is to go to a more cost-effective methodology using essentially a software-defined network layer. That means that you need these servers to be always running at optimal performance. So reducing the I/O gap and eliminating the latency gap means that that network virtualization layer, which will run on physical commodity server hardware, will always be at the performance level needed to virtualize the network infrastructure.